My name is John Serrano. I'm a sergeant in the Marine Corps. I was a radio operator and radio chief. I basically got to work with radio communication equipment. I did a lot of planning. I did a lot of team organizing, a lot of troubleshooting. All the troubleshooting that I did with radio equipment has helped me tremendously with the position that I'm in right now. So started with 7 Eagle. I got thrown into a couple courses such as the IQ4 Cloud Academy course. Took about a month and a half to finish, and that really helped with the cloud aspect of going into with Cyber Husky. There's been a lot of times where there's something I didn't know, but if you just put me in the right direction, I'll figure it out. I've been learning a lot. Great news. I'm super excited to start with Cyber Husky July 13th, pretty much a day after my EAS.